Good evening and welcome back to my channel. This evening we're going to be doing the tying the knot box 4 out of 12 that I ordered. So let's see what we have inside. We have Mr. and Mrs. It looks like salt shakers, salt and pepper shakers, which is a cute idea. We have what looks like a cookie cutter and a recipe for sugar cookies to go with it. We have 2 hand sanitizers. It says Quarantine for Life, Mr. and Mrs. And the final items of the box socks. His says me 2 and hers says I do. And that's all we got in box 4 of 12 of the Tying the Knot box. And I hope to see you all again soon.